Right, so I'm making, I've made chicken pasta salad. To do the chicken part of this, here's how I did it. I made a mixture of corn flour, paprika, parsley, chili flakes, salt, and ground pepper. I mixed that all together and then coated the chicken in that. Got a frying pan out on max heat with a little bit of olive oil, not too much, and started frying up that chicken in that olive oil, just turning it constantly, letting it brown out a little bit, then turned the heat from max to medium, halfway. At that point, I sprinkled some soy sauce over it, turned it, did the same on the other side, turned it, and then just kept turning it until the chicken was cooked through, just past, so that there's no pink, but not too far that it's dry and shitty. While I left the chicken to cool down, because this is a salad after all, I started cooking up the pasta. So, don't do what some people do and throw oil in there with the pasta. Just throw in a bit of salt and cook up the pasta. Keep checking it so that you don't overcook it, because there's nothing worse than this like mushy pasta shit. Just check it, and when it's just right, you'll know it's not hard, it's not too soft, and then it's good to go. Bit of olive oil in there, stirred it all up, stops it from sticking together. So the next thing I did was I put down a little bed of lettuce and I don't even know what the word is, but put a bunch of mayonnaise over that. And then I laid down some peppers that I'd cut up before, of course, some red onions that I'd cut up before as well, sliced and diced a bunch of the chicken, but not all of it, and threw that on top. Now that the pasta's cooled down, I threw down a layer of pasta and then sprayed down some more mayonnaise. By the way, every time I'm putting mayonnaise on, it's not an awful lot. I don't want to drown it in mayonnaise. So a layer of pasta on top of that, and then some mayonnaise, good to go for the next level. And now to finish up, so another layer of peppers, onions, and chicken, the rest of the chicken. Awesome. And just to make it look all pretty, a pepper sliced in half on top, a little bit of, pretty. And I'll tell you what, once you mix this bastard up, it's going to be awesome. But first, it's going in the fridge. Tomorrow, I'm going to dive into that, and it's going to be awesome. Enjoy.
Time to hit the highway. Sun goes down in a blaze of glory. Another chapter